Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back in the front yard and we are replacing the front spigot with the Aquor V1 hydrant. This is currently the system we have set up, and as you can see there's a lot of movement. It doesn't sit flush. You see the gaps it has in here. Those gaps allowed for a lot of bugs to get inside the house. So the new system will actually attach directly to the side here, be flush, and then we'll backfill it with expanding foam. But this installation is not going to be nearly as easy as the one in the backyard. You can see everything is soldered together. So which means we're going to have to cut the piping. And because the shutoff valve is directly against the wall, it doesn't really give us a whole lot of space to move things around. So we want to be able to put the shutoff valve in a different spot and still have this L. So what we're going to use is a 1/2 inch shutoff valve from SharkBite Max, and then the elbow that we're using is threaded with a 1/2 inch thread, which will screw directly into the Aquor system. So the first thing we have to do is shut off the water to the house and then open up the water to the outside. Now we're taking a few precautions, and we got a bucket to catch any water that's coming out of the pipes, which inevitably will happen. And install the SharkBite shutoff valve and elbow with the MNPT. If you want a complete explanation tutorial on how to install this, check out the video link above. Otherwise, cue the montage. Alright, take this out. Doesn't fit, so I gotta make the hole bigger. So we'll start there and finish installation inside. Alright, when you install this, it goes on clockwise as you're looking at it. So as I'm looking at it, it goes clockwise around. About 3 to 4 rotations. Now we're going to lather it up or slather it up with a little bit of True Blue pipe thread sealant. We'll check outside to see how lined up we are. Almost completely lined up, just a slight little turn more and it'll be completely lined up outside. That should be it. Now the new system is turned on. It's all set. So we're going to check for leaks, at least for here, but this we're not going to be able to do anything with until tomorrow because this needs 24 hours to cure. So we're going to let this sit till tomorrow, and then we will turn the water on to the outside and give it a check. So let's turn the water on to the rest of the house. I have this in set and off, so we'll see how well this holds up. No leaks, everything looks good. Moment of truth. Now that everything is installed and leak-free, let's install the faceplate. Next up, we're going to reinstall the panel, but we have to paint it to match the rest of the room first. This is just one of the projects in the storage room remodel, so stay tuned for that. The external faceplate sits flush against the siding, so it should keep all the insects out of the house. But there is a void in the wall that should be filled to give us some extra assurance that no bugs or rodents get in. So we're going to fill that void with expanding foam. Now let's connect our hose link and test the spigot. Everything works perfectly. If you're interested in picking up the Aquor Home Hydrant V1 Plus, check out the link in the description for my Amazon storefront where you can pick up your own system. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.